Dear students, I am Dr. Rajiv Sapre. This is lecture number 9 about the chapter complex number. This is part of video lecture series about HSC mathematics. I appeal all of you to subscribe my channel Maths Made Easy by Dr. Rajiv Sapre and take advantage of all these lectures. In the previous lecture, we were solving some problems from exercise 1.1. We will continue that because solving problem only will make you perfect about all these things. So we will now come to the problem number say 21. Say problem number 21 we will try to solve from exercise 1.1. See what is written there. If a plus ib, what they have given is a plus ib. You are given it as 1 plus I upon 1 minus I. 1 plus I upon 1 minus I. And then we are asked to prove that a square plus b squared is equal to 1. Now, how you can do that? See, solution. You are given a plus ib is 1 plus I upon 1 minus I. So you will multiply and divide. This is a division of two complex numbers and you know how it is done. So we multiply by 1 plus I and divided by 1 plus I. 1 plus I is the conjugate of the denominator. Denominator is having complex number 1 minus I. So we have to multiply and divide by the conjugate of this. So it is 1 plus I. So now what will be the product? Numerator will be 1 plus I into 1 plus I. So 1 plus I square. And this is a square plus b square. As you know this formula. A plus bi into a minus bi comes out to be a square plus b square. So it is 1 square plus 1 square. Okay, it means what? 1 plus I bracket square, it is 1 plus 2i and 1 plus 2i and what? It is plus I squared and whole thing divided by 2. But now I squared is minus 1, so it is 1 plus 2i minus 1 upon 2. So it is nothing but 1 plus 2i minus 1 is 2i and divided by 2. I will enlarge this. So the last step was it is 2i upon 2. It means it is I. So I you can write as a complex number when you want to write. It is 0 plus 1 into I. 0 plus 1 into I. What is this given? A plus ib. Upon a 1 plus I upon 1 minus I काढले ना. So it is given as a plus ib. So a plus ib is this much. So when you compare the two complex numbers, you will get a is 0 because in this complex number a plus bi, a is real part and b is imaginary part. So it is 1 here. A is 0, b is 1 because here it is bi, here it is 1 into I. So b is 1. So now when a is 0 and b is 1, a square plus b squared is nothing but 0 square plus 1 squared, and so finally answer is 1. So this is how this problem can be managed. A plus ib is 1 plus I upon 1 minus I. We have shown that a square plus b square is 1, right? So that is done. Now next to this we will solve certain other problems also. This is done now. I hope you understood. It is very simple depending on equality of the complex numbers. Now say problem number 22 from 1.1 exercise. See what is that? Root 7 plus I root 3. Root 7 plus I into root 3 divided by root 7 minus I root 3. Then plus root 7 minus I root 3 divided by root 7 plus I root 3. This you have to show is real number. is real. Real in the sense it is a real number, not complex number. So there will be imaginary part 0 whenever I calculate this. So consider solution now. Consider root 7 plus I root 3 divided by root 7 minus I root 3 into root 7 minus I root 3 divided by root 7 plus I root 3. So now obvious, this is cross multiplication, we have to do plus sign. It is in between plus sign, sorry. So cross multiplication. So what does it gives you? Root 7 plus I root 3 bracket squared plus, here also cross multiplication. So it is root 7 minus I root 3 bracket squared, and then divided by, it is root 7 minus I root 3. So I can write root 7 minus I root 3 in one bracket and into root 7 plus I root 3 in another bracket. Now what? This is a plus b square formula you can use. So 7 plus मधली टर्म काय होणार बघा, 2 times I into root of 21 आणि प्लस I root 3 चा स्क्वेअर म्हणजेच काय होणार I square into 3, but I squared is minus 1. So at beginning we will write I squared into 3. I will enlarge this so that whole screen we can use. So this is the this is the square of first term. Now here it is minus, so it is what, root 7 चा स्क्वेअर म्हणजे 7 minus 2ab म्हणजेच काय होणार minus 2i into root of 21 आणि minus I root 3 चा स्क्वेअर म्हणजेच काय होणार I square into 3. See, I root 3 squared is I squared into 3. So plus, again it is I squared into 3 and then divided by, now you know this formula, this is the number root 7 plus I root 3, it is its conjugate, and you know that whenever you have something like this, a plus bi into a minus bi, the answer is a square plus b square. So here it is root 7 plus root 3, root 7 square plus root 3 square, कारण इथे a plus b आहे तसं इथे root 7 plus I root 3 आहे, म्हणजे a म्हणजे root 7 आहे, b is root 3. So what is this answer? 7 plus 3. Okay, so now what happens? Whenever you add these two, इथला 7 आणि इथला 7 14, हे 2i root 21 हे minus 2i root 21, that will get cancelled, आणि मग हे I squared into 3, त्यातला I squared is minus 1, so this is minus 3. See, this comes out to be minus 3 आणि also this is minus 3. हे असं लिहायला नको तिथे, मी आत्ता तुम्हाला समजावून सांगण्यासाठी म्हणून मी लिहिलेलं आहे I squared is minus 1, त्यामुळे हे minus 3 झालं, इथे पण minus 3 आहे, म्हणजे हे minus 3 प्लस हे minus 3, so minus 6 आणि अपॉन हे 7 plus 3 which is 10, so it is now 14 minus 6, so it is 8 upon 10, म्हणजेच ते किती झालं 4 upon 5. So this is a real number, there is no I here. Actually this is a complex number also, every real number is a complex number, but when you want to prove that particular calculation is real, it means you have to show that its imaginary part is 0. This is a real number, so belongs to R, we can say. In particular, this is a rational number, so it belongs to R. So that is done. Okay, so this is problem number 22 done. And again, see, this depends on very simple issue, how to take product of two complex numbers, how to divide two complex number, what is the formula for a plus bi into a minus bi, etc, etc. What is a plus b bracket squared, a minus b bracket squared. So it is all formula based. Remember, all the mathematics of 11th and 12th standard, always I say it will be formula based. So you have to be very strong in knowledge of formulae. Okay. Now after this, all these problems we have done. Problem number 22 just now we did. Okay. Now we will come to problem number 24. Okay. There are 5 problems inside that. We will solve certain. 1 or 2. So problem number 24 now, and from that 24 we will do first problem. So 24 1 of 1.1. Now what is there in that problem? Baga, x plus 2y, okay, plus 2x minus 3y into I plus 4i is equal to 5. And what is asked? What are x and y? Find xy. This is the main problem. Now see, you can simplify left hand side and you equate it to 5, or what we can do, 4i you can take on this side. So write, given x plus 2y plus 2x minus 3y into I plus 4i is equal to 5. So what I can say? It means what? X plus 2y plus 2x minus 3y into I can take this 4i on the right hand side, so it will be 5 minus 4i. Now you have this real number, this is real part, this is imaginary part. So on left hand side we have one complex number, on right hand side also complex number, and they are equal. When two complex numbers are equal? When their real parts are equal and imaginary parts are equal. So here real part is x plus 2y. So we get by equality of two complex numbers, by equality of two complex numbers, by equality of two complex numbers, what we get? X plus 2y is equal to, now what is real part here? X plus 2y, what is real part here? 5. So they are equal. And also 2x minus 3y, which is the coefficient of I, it is imaginary part, and on this side it is minus 4. So it is minus 4. So imaginary part is to be considered along with that sign. We cannot ignore minus sign here. Now these two we have to solve. So I will enlarge this. See what you get, x plus y is equal to 5. So that means, say this is now by equality of complex numbers. So this is say 1 and this is say 2, right? So from 1 we get y is equal to 5 minus x. Okay, put y is equal to 5 minus x in 2. What is 2? 2x minus 3y is minus 4. So what you get is 2x minus 3 into y. Y is 5 minus x. So 3 into 5 minus x, and it gives you minus 4. So what will be that? 2x minus 15, and minus minus plus 3x, and on this side you have minus 4. Okay, so finally what does it mean? 2x plus 3x, so it is 5x, and on this side it is minus 15. We take it on the right hand side, so it is 15 minus 4, so it is 11. So x comes out to be 11 upon 5. Check kara punha ekda, x plus y, sorry, here it was wrongly written, extremely sorry. So I will erase all this, extremely sorry. This was not x plus 2y, x plus y, that is wrongly written, and so these calculations are somewhat odd. This is not x plus y, this is x plus 2y, and by mistake we have written x plus y. So I will erase this y, okay, and instead of this we have to write 2y. So x plus 2y is equal to 5. So what does that mean? X is equal to 5 minus 2y. Say this is by 1 we can say. Now put this, put x is equal to 5 minus 2y in 2. So what I get? 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 4. This is your second relation. But now we are going to put x is equal to 5 minus 2y. Put 5 minus 2y, x is equal to 5 minus 2y in 2. So this is 2 into 5 minus 2y minus 3y is equal to minus 4. So what will be this? 10 minus 4y minus 3y is equal to minus 4. So it is what? Minus 7y is equal to minus 4 minus 10. So it is minus 14. And so 7y is equal to 14. And so y is equal to 2. That is right now. Y is equal to 2. Now put y is equal to 2 in 1. Your 1 is x is equal to 5 minus 2y. Right. So but x is equal to, what is x? 5 minus 2y. Out of that y is 2. So it is 5 minus 2 into 2, which is 5 minus 4. And so it is 1. So your value of x is 1 and value of y is 2. So final answer, they are asked you x and y. So we can say x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. This is the expected answer. Correct? This is the expected answer. X is 1 and y is 2. And you can verify also. If you put x is equal to 1, y is 2 here, what you will get? See, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 when you put 2y plus 1. So it will be 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 you will get. So already there is 5. आणि हे जे आहे ना 2x minus 3y, what will be that? 2x म्हणजे किती होणार? 2 minus 3y म्हणजे किती होणार? 6. So 2 minus 6 म्हणजे minus 4i plus 4i 0 होतं. So 5 and 5 we get. So your answer is absolutely perfect. Nothing wrong in that. So these are the problems depending on equality of the two complex numbers. Remember, equality of two complex numbers is, if you know that how two complex numbers, when two complex numbers are equal, then such problems can be easily managed. Okay, I hope you understood this. Coming to the next problem. See, next is this x plus 1 upon 1 plus I. See, the next problem is x plus 1 divided by 1 plus I, okay, plus y minus 1 upon 1 minus I plus y minus 1 upon 1 minus I is equal to I. Find x and y. This is the problem. What to do now here? X plus 1 upon 1 plus I. So right. So solution, given x plus 1 upon 1 plus I, then plus y minus 1 upon 1 minus I is equal to I. So what you can do is cross multiply here. Just this is addition, usual addition. So cross multiplication, so that gives you x plus 1 into 1 minus I plus y minus 1 into 1 plus I, whole thing divided by 1 plus I into 1 minus I, and this is equal to I. मग आता काय करता येईल बघा, x plus 1 into 1 minus I, you can multiply this. So that gives you x into 1 x into minus I, so minus xi, then 1 into 1 is 1 and 1 into minus I is minus I. This is product of first two terms. Then here plus y minus 1 into this, so it is y into 1 is y into I is yi, okay, then minus 1 and minus I, and whole this thing divided by 1 plus I into 1 minus I, and whole this thing is equal to I, that is given. Now we will enlarge this. So now what will happen here? You take this addition we have to do. So what will be real parts in this? This is x plus 1 and here it is y minus 1. So that we have to add. So it is x plus 1 plus y minus 1 plus what is I into, see this is minus x minus 1. So minus x minus 1. see it is minus xi, so I you have taken common, so minus x, this is minus I, so minus 1, and on this side we have yi minus I, so plus y minus 1. Okay, this is the bracket, and whole thing divided by, down this product, you know, 1 plus I, 1 minus I, you know, a plus bi into a minus bi, which are complex conjugates of each other. The answer is a square plus b square. So here it is what? Your a plus bi, means 1 plus 1 into I, 1 minus 1 into I. So answer is 1 square plus 1 square. And this whole thing is given to you as I. म्हणजे आता काय काय झालं बघा, हे x plus 1 y minus 1, 1 आणि minus 1 कॅन्सल होतील. सो यू गेट जस्ट x plus y प्लस I इंटू किती होईल बघा, हे मायनस एक्स मायनस 1 y आणि मायनस 1, बघा ते चेक करा पुन्हा, y इंटू 1 इज y, yi मायनस 1 आणि मायनस I. ओके, सो हियर it is not cancelling. It is not x plus x minus xi. Okay, I'm making error here or somewhat. No, I'm taking correctly na, x plus 1 y minus 1, so that is taken, and on the other side we are taking I common, so it is minus x minus 1, that is right, आणि इथे y I आहे, त्यामुळे y प्लस वाय हे कॉमन म्हणजे आत येणार ब्रॅकेटच्या, आणि हे मायनस आय आहे त्यामुळे मायनस 1 राईट, दॅट इज राईट नाव. सो आय इंटू हिअर इट विल बी एक्स प्लस मायनस एक्स प्लस वाय आणि हे मायनस 1, सो इट गिव्स यू मायनस 2, आणि हे जे 1 स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 स्क्वेअर आहे डिनॉमिनेटरला ते 2 आहे, सो अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल टू आय, सो यू कॅन क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय. And what you get is x plus y plus I into y minus x minus 2. This is 2i. But 2i म्हणजेच हे actually काय आहे, 0 plus 2i. So now when you use the definition of equality of the complex numbers, इथला real part आणि इथला real part equal पाहिजे, because these two numbers are equal and that is given to you. So what I can say, x plus y is 0. आणि हे जे आहे y मायनस एक्स मायनस 2, दॅट इज 2. मग आता x प्लस वाय जर 0 असेल, हे दोन आता तुम्हाला सोडवावे लागते. म्हणजे कसं आहे बघा, हे तुम्ही रिलेशन 1 आणि हे रिलेशन 2 असं घेतलं, तर आता आपणाला मागे जाऊन ते सर्व हे मी इरेज करतो, सो दॅट ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर नॉट नेसेसरी नाव, नॉट टू बी यूज्ड नाव. सो नाव वी हॅव जस्ट दिस 2 अँड वी हॅव टू सॉल्व देम अँड गेट x and y. So when you say x plus y is 0, so from 1 we get y is equal to minus x. बघा आपणाला x plus y 0 आहे, म्हणजे y is equal to minus x, ते इथे ठेवा, put y is equal to minus x in 2. काय मिळणार बघा, y is equal to minus x ठेवलं की हे मायनस एक्स मायनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 2, म्हणजेच काय झालं, मायनस 2x इज इक्वल टू 4. सो x इज इक्वल टू मायनस 2. हे समजा आता रिझल्ट 3 म्हणूया आपण, आणि आपल्याला माहिती आहे y इज इक्वल टू मायनस एक्स. सो ॲज y इज इक्वल टू मायनस एक्स वी गेट y इज इक्वल टू मायनस ऑफ मायनस 2, कारण काय x तुमचं मायनस 2 आलं आहे आणि हे मायनस एक्स आहे, सो इट इज प्लस 2. सो युअर फायनल आन्सर विल बी वॉट, सॉरी आय विल राईट इट हियर, युअर फायनल आन्सर विल बी x इज इक्वल टू, राईट, x इज इक्वल टू minus 2 and y is equal to plus 2. This is the final answer. So these are the problems depending on equality of two complex numbers. I hope you understood all the problems that I discussed in this lecture. They are all depending on equality, powers of I, etc., etc., equality of two complex numbers. So we will continue in the next lecture. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Again, I appeal you to subscribe my channel and take advantage of all these lectures. Thank you.